Hello, my name is Valentina Prusakova and I do the research for the NEST project at Fondazione Bruno Kessler. Today I would like to talk about anion exchange membrane electrolysis. Electrolyzers split water to oxygen and hydrogen with the assistance of the electricity. When electrolyzers are coupled with the renewable sources of energy, such as solar or wind, the produced hydrogen is called green. That means almost zero greenhouse emission to the atmosphere that provides us with a strategy for decarbonization and give us a hope for sustainable future. Now, the electrolytic technologies that produce hydrogen from water are many. They are usually split into high-temperature electrolytic technologies and low-temperature electrolytic technologies. There are no good or bad players in this field. All technologies have their unique specifications and therefore they find their niche of application. Today I'm going to talk about anion exchange membrane electrolysis, which is a low-temperature technology that usually operates at around 60 degrees Celsius. The technology is named after the membrane because the membrane is a heart of a cell in electrolyzer. The membrane conducts hydroxide ions with high selectivity. This is a key process in the mechanism of water splitting into oxygen and hydrogen. The membrane also insulates electrodes and ensures the separation of gases, oxygen from hydrogen. This is essential for safe and efficient operation. We use Orion membranes. The membrane is sandwiched between two electrodes. Usually these are nickel-based materials, which is highly beneficial because these are cheap materials compared to the platinum group metals that are used for other electrolytic technologies such as proton exchange membrane electrolyzer. Slightly basic solution circulates at the anodic side of the cell. Once the current is applied to the cell, water goes to the cathodic side where it splits to hydrogen and hydroxide ions. The hydroxide ions do migrate back to anodic side where oxygen and water are formed. The advantage of this technology is that it relies on the nickel-based materials. It uses 1 molar potassium hydroxide solution, therefore it is safe and efficient. The membrane durability and conductivity is the disadvantage of the technology. The other issue is the scalability. Another main challenge is the development of non-noble electrocatalysts for the oxygen evolution reaction. The synthesis of these catalysts is not optimized for the industrial settings. Within the NEST project, we collaborate with the University of Milano Bicocca and Arco Technologies.